the Kerdom DX06.
Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Kerdom DX06 Electric Wheelchair.
This is how it looks when it's delivered. It's packaged well with a lot of foam and plastic protecting it. Inside you get the wheelchair, tools, charger, light, and user manual. Briefly going over some specs, this is made from an aluminum alloy steel, foldable design, wide 18.5-inch seat. Weighs in at 58.5 pounds, has a max load of 400 pounds. It comes with two 24-volt 12-amp-hour lithium batteries, which are removable. Takes 4 to 6 hours to fully charge. 30.5-mile range. Two 250-watt dual motors, a total of 500 watt-hours. Top speed of 4 miles per hour. 12-inch and 8-inch tires. Max 15-degree climbing angle. 360 joystick control. Front light, and it's TSA travel approved. A walk around the wheelchair, you can see the front with the smaller tire and the rear has the larger tire. And then you have the suspensions all around underneath the seat along in the front. In the rear, you can see the dual motors along with dual batteries and then the folding lever. And then on the right side, you have the control. You can also see the large seat and then the soft backrest.
All right, so here's the wheelchair out of the box and unfolded. There's really no assembly. Basically, you just have to attach the controller. So there's a clamp here that you have to loosen and then insert it into this pole here, and then just level it out to your desired height, and then after that you can just use this lever here on the side and then lock it into place. Then it comes with the light here, so you just have to plug it in underneath, and it uses the battery from the wheelchair. Folding and unfolding the wheelchair is simple. You have a lever here, so basically you just want to press that down like so, and then you can begin to fold it. And then from the front, you just want to grab the footrest and pull up. So that's in the folded position, and then you're ready to transport it. Unfolding it, just the reverse operation. You want to grab the footrest, push back on the backrest here, and then just make sure you have the lever in that lock position. It grabs onto this bar here. So taking a look at the back, you can see that there's like springs all around the back and then the front by the seats. So it provides some suspension, when you're going off-road. You can see here you have the wheels to prevent it from tipping over. And then you have two batteries in the back here. So you have the charging port, and then you have the main port for the power on each of the batteries. So right now I have it plugged in on the right side here, and you can also remove them. There's a lever here, so you just want to pull on the lever and it just slides out. So that's the lever that locks into place on the wheelchair. So you can charge it on the wheelchair, or you can take it inside. Looking at the motor, you have two motors on each side, 250 watts. This is on the lock position when it's up, so that means you can't push it forward or backwards. Only when the wheelchair is on, it will use the motor. To disengage it, just press down, and now you're in the freewheel mode, and you can just push it as you please. So look at the wheelchair. You have very soft padding for the backrest, a removable seat. You can see the seat is very wide here. You also have the buckle And the armrests do fold up and down. And then it has a pocket, so to fold the armrest, just press the button. Like so. So it makes getting on and off easier. And then just press down to lock it into place. And then as mentioned, the springs here, you can see the suspensions all around. Looking at the controls, basically you have the power button on the top, you have the horn, you have the plus and minus here to increase the different speed levels. You have a mute button and an SOS button. So powering it up.
Welcome to your electric wheelchair.
You can hear the voice. On the top, that's the battery level. And then in the middle here, that's
Speed
the speed.
Speed 3, Speed 2, Speed 1.
And you can hear it as I decrease it. You also have the horn. And then you can mute it. So there's no voice prompt. Unmute it. And then SOS here.
Help me. Help me.
And then finally you have the joystick here.
Reverse. Please use caution. Reverse.
So when you're moving forward or reverse, you'll hear the voice prompt. Very responsive.
Reverse. Reverse. Please use caution.
All right, so one of the big main selling feature is the off-road capabilities and for it to handle multiple types of terrain. So I'm just gonna take it up here on the grass so you can see. So it could handle the grass with no issues. Could transition from the smooth surface back to the grass. Again, this is very, rough surface here. It's got the nice big tires in the back. Now I'm going to go through the different mode settings. Again, this has 5 different modes, so you can just press the up, the plus, and the minus.
Speed 4, Speed 3, Speed 2, Speed 1.
And then you'll hear the voice prompt, and you can mute the voice prompt. So I'm going to mute it here. So this is on Speed 1. And again, this has a top speed of about 4.3 miles per hour. So right now we're on Speed 1. Now I'm going to switch to Speed 2. This is Speed 2 now. That's Speed 2. Moving to Speed 3 now. You can feel the pickup a little bit more on Speed 3. Turn around. Let's go to Speed 4. Yeah, definitely feel the power there. And we're going to go to Speed 5 now. So again, the wheelchair is very easy to navigate here. Nice wide seat, very comfortable. Can handle multiple types of terrain as mentioned. You can see I'm going up the curb, no issues at all. Easy to navigate. Very intuitive controls. And it's got the dual batteries with good range and the two 250 watt-hour motors, so plenty of power. And most of all, it's lightweight, portable, easy to fold, and you can just transport it. So I've left the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. Again, this is the Kerdom DX06 Electric Wheelchair.